Local news for Thursday, August the 6th. Tickets are on sale for the Pukaha National Wildlife Centre's 10th anniversary garden tour. The annual fundraiser will showcase gardens from Carterton and South Wairarapa, with tickets available now from Event Finder. The Five Towns Trail project, set to link the five main towns in Wairarapa with the Remataka Cycle Trail and other Wellington regional trails, has been given a boost. $1 million has been allocated to the first priority, or getting a 17-metre high suspension bridge over the Tauhiraniko River. When complete, it'll be the longest in New Zealand. And Greater Wellington's flood protection and resilience is getting a vital $11 million boost from the government's post-COVID-19 infrastructure fund. In the Wairarapa, works will continue and to target the Rumahanga River with stop bank reconstruction, buffer land establishment and tree planting. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men and women are both away this weekend, playing Waterside Karori and Petone. And in hockey, the Dalford men and women also both away, taking on Northern United and Tua, respectively. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.